As autumn arrives, a subtle transformation sweeps across North America. The days grow shorter, the air tingles with a new chill, and the landscape is set ablaze with fiery reds, oranges, and golds. It's a season that invites reflection, comfort, and a return to cherished rituals. As people bundle up in cozy layers and their breath hangs in the crisp morning air, a familiar anticipation stirs. The world outside feels both invigorating and nostalgic, as if every gust of wind carries memories of autumn's past. With this seasonal shift, North America's culinary focus turns to one iconic gourd, the pumpkin. Fields brim with plump orange orbs, ready for harvest, and farmers work tirelessly to gather the bounty that will soon grace countless tables. The pumpkin's ultimate role: pumpkin pie, a dessert that signals the true start of the holiday season. Its arrival on the table is a moment of celebration, a sweet punctuation mark on family gatherings and festive feasts. It's the undisputed monarch of Thanksgiving, so essential that its absence would feel like a betrayal of tradition. For many, the holiday simply isn't complete without a slice of this spiced, creamy classic. Its warm, spiced aroma is the very scent of autumn, filling kitchens with notes of cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. Each bite is a comforting reminder of home, of laughter, and of the simple joys that define the season. Pumpkin pie outshines rivals like apple and pecan, evolving from a humble colonial recipe into a commercial juggernaut. Its story is woven into the fabric of American history, adapting to changing tastes and technologies over centuries. The journey from seed to pie is a marvel of agricultural science and culinary tradition. Each pumpkin's life begins as a tiny seed, nurtured by sun and soil, then carefully tended by farmers who understand the delicate balance of nature. Modern pumpkin pie is the result of decades of refinement. Farmers breed for sweetness, factories perfect the puree, and bakeries master the spice blend. Every step, from field to factory, is a testament to innovation and tradition working hand in hand. To understand pumpkin pie is to appreciate a fascinating slice of modern food production, where age-old recipes meet cutting-edge technology to create a dessert beloved by millions. So let's follow the pumpkin's journey from muddy fields through high-tech factories to the supermarket freezer, on its way to becoming a holiday classic that brings warmth and joy to tables across the continent. To truly grasp the scale of pumpkin pie's popularity, you have to look beyond the dessert table and into the heart of a massive seasonal industry. Every autumn, as the leaves turn and the air grows crisp, pumpkin pie becomes more than just a treat. It's a symbol of celebration, nostalgia, and togetherness for millions of families across North America. The numbers behind this holiday favorite are nothing short of astonishing. From bustling bakeries to supermarket shelves, the demand for pumpkin pie surges as Thanksgiving approaches, driving a multi-million-dollar market that few other desserts can rival. The North American pumpkin pie market is estimated to be worth up to $500 million every year. That's a staggering figure, reflecting not just the pies themselves, but the entire ecosystem of farmers, bakers, retailers, and suppliers who make it all possible. Over 50 million pumpkin pies are sold each season, with a dramatic spike in sales during the 24 hours leading up to Thanksgiving. Grocery stores and bakeries prepare for weeks, knowing that the final rush will see shelves emptied and ovens working overtime. Take Costco, for example. The retail giant sells more than 6 million of its signature, oversized 12-inch pumpkin pies in just 3 months each year. That's enough pie to stretch from New York to Los Angeles and back again, generating over $30 million in revenue for the company. To meet this enormous demand, the U.S. harvests about 1.5 billion pounds of pumpkins annually. Much of this harvest is destined for purée, the essential ingredient that gives pumpkin pie its unmistakable flavor and creamy texture. The process is a race against time. Pumpkins must be picked and shipped to processing plants at the peak of ripeness to ensure the best possible taste. Farmers and factory workers move quickly, knowing that even a short delay can affect the final product. Behind the scenes, a complex web of logistics ensures a steady supply of pumpkins and pies for autumn's insatiable appetite. From highways packed with truckloads of pumpkins to warehouses brimming with crates, every link in the chain is crucial. In massive bakeries, pumpkin pies are produced on an industrial scale. Every pie is engineered for consistency, from the thickness of the crust to the precise blend of spices that give each slice its signature warmth and aroma. For customers, this means they know exactly what to expect, year after year. Whether it's a slice at a family gathering or a whole pie shared with friends, the experience is comfortingly familiar. It's a remarkable blend of food science and cherished tradition, scaled up to feed millions and bring a taste of the holidays to every table. Every pumpkin pie starts in a field, where the story of each pumpkin begins long before it reaches your table. Acres of rich soil are carefully prepared in spring, and seeds are sown with precision, setting the stage for months of patient growth. As summer unfolds, pumpkins ripen under the late summer sun, soaking up warmth and nutrients. Their skins slowly shift from green to vibrant orange, a sign that harvest time is approaching. Harvest season is short and intense, September to November, when pumpkins reach their peak. Farmers work from dawn to dusk, racing against the weather and the clock to gather the crop at just the right moment. Timing is everything. Too early, and the fruit is bland, the sugars haven't fully developed, and the flesh lacks that signature sweetness. Too late, and it's mushy, the texture compromised, and the pumpkin begins to break down in the field, losing both flavor and value. Modern harvesters now process up to 30 tons per hour, gently lifting and cleaning pumpkins as they go. These machines are designed to minimize bruising, ensuring each pumpkin arrives in perfect condition. Once picked, the clock is ticking. Pumpkins must be processed within 24 hours on surgery. Combonitensens, ton chronodescansion cordry to brubasens prepanzer to preserve their sugars and flavor. The journey from field to factory is a race against time. Delays mean a loss of up to 20% of natural sugars, impacting taste and color. Quality control teams inspect every batch, ensuring only the best pumpkins move forward. The entire supply chain is synchronized to meet this tight deadline. From drivers to factory workers, everyone plays a crucial role in keeping the process seamless. Mechanization isn't about cutting corners, it's about preserving quality at scale. Advanced equipment sorts, washes, and prepares pumpkins for the next stage, maintaining consistency in every batch. Without these innovations, millions of pies simply wouldn't be possible. Each pie is a testament to the teamwork and technology behind the harvest. It's a perfect blend of agricultural wisdom and industrial efficiency, ensuring that the taste of autumn can be enjoyed by families everywhere, year after year. Freshly harvested pumpkins arrive at the plant and plunge straight into a rigorous cleaning process. They're tumbled in wash tanks, sprayed, and dried with warm air for surface sterilization. Next, automatic peelers strip away the tough rind, preserving the valuable flesh. The peeled pumpkins are softened in hot water, halved, and de-seeded. Chopped into pieces, they're ground into a coarse mash. Advanced filtration removes fibers and impurities, yielding a smooth, velvety puree. The puree is then heated, sterilized, and packed into sterile containers for long-term storage. This process ensures the puree is fresh, safe, and ready for pie making year-round. Every step is designed for maximum efficiency and quality. The result: a consistent, high-quality base for millions of pies. From field to puree, it's a marvel of modern food engineering. Factory-made pumpkin pies, like those at Costco, are a feat of precision and speed. It starts with the crust, cold, high-fat butter mixed with flour and water, then rested for flakiness. Dough is portioned and pressed into tins, each crust perfectly uniform. Meanwhile, the filling is blended. Pumpkin puree, sugar, spices, milk, cream, and eggs. The mixture is poured into crusts by calibrated nozzles, exactly 40 ounces per pie. Pies travel through convection ovens, baking to golden perfection in about 30 minutes. Automation ensures every pie is identical, from crust to filling. The result: a dessert that's consistent, delicious, and ready for the holiday rush. It's industrial baking at its finest, delivering tradition on a massive scale. From dough to finished pie, every step is engineered for quality and speed. When it comes to canned pumpkin, Libby's is king, producing over 85% of the U.S. supply from its Illinois factory. The secret? The Dickinson pumpkin, a pale, elongated squash bred for pie perfection. Unlike the classic jack-o'-lantern, Dickinsons are sweeter, richer, and smoother. Legally, the FDA allows these golden-fleshed squashes to be labeled as pumpkin. Libby's has perfected this variety for consistent flavor, color, and texture. Standard field pumpkins are watery and bland. Dickinsons deliver vibrant, creamy puree. This agricultural innovation ensures every can is reliable, year after year. It's science and tradition, engineered for the perfect pie. The pumpkin story doesn't end with the pie. Its seeds spark a whole separate industry. Some pumpkins are grown just for their large, plump seeds, not their flesh. Specialized machines harvest and separate seeds, while leftover pulp is composted back into the fields. Seeds are washed, dried, and roasted as pepitas, a healthy, protein-rich snack. Pumpkin seeds are also pressed for oil, prized for its nutty flavor and culinary uses. They're even ground for supplements, valued for their nutrients. This secondary market ensures nearly every part of the pumpkin is used. What was once waste is now a valuable commodity. America's pumpkin obsession goes far beyond food. Autumn brings a wave of pumpkin festivals and quirky traditions. The Pumpkin Regatta sees contestants paddling lakes in giant, hollowed-out pumpkins. At events like the Stillwater Harvest Fest, massive pumpkins are dropped from cranes, exploding in spectacular fashion. These celebrations blend agricultural roots with playful competition and creativity. Communities gather for weigh-offs, races, and pumpkin art, all in honor of the season's star crop. It's a joyful, sometimes messy tribute to autumn's most iconic symbol. These festivals reinforce the pumpkin's place in American culture. From food to fun, the pumpkin is at the heart of fall festivities. Pumpkin pie is more than dessert. It's a symbol of autumn, nostalgia, and tradition. Slicing into a pumpkin pie is a shared ritual, connecting families and communities. Its place at Thanksgiving is non-negotiable, anchoring the holiday meal. The pie's warm spices and rich flavor evoke comfort and the bounty of harvest. Its story is one of American ingenuity. Agricultural science, industrial innovation, and cultural tradition combined. The Dickinson pumpkin, mechanized harvests, and factory precision make this tradition accessible to millions. Pumpkin pie is both personal and universal, a homemade classic, mass-produced for all. As the days grow short and the air turns crisp, its return signals the festive season. It's a sweet-spiced and indispensable slice of American life.